Before you start researching companies or building a portfolio, you need a platform that makes finding stocks fast and simple. So Tradingview is one of the easiest tools for scanning the market, checking charts, and spotting trends. So in order to start, guys, open up the website, make sure that you're logged in, and after that, let us open up the super charts, product and super charts right over here from the top. And now you have your charts in here. And now, if you wish to find stocks, you need to open up this charting thing, and of course on the home page, look at the top of the screen. You'll see the main search bar. So for example, as you can see now, I chose Tesla as an example. So this is the button where we can find stocks under different filters and with different settings. And pretty much that's your button. And here you can just type in the company name, the ticker symbol. In my case, the ticker symbol is, as you can see, chosen. So it's TSLA, that stands for Tesla, and also the market, which is NASDAQ, NICE, etc. So this is the market, NASDAQ, in my choice. And you just click the result, and Tradingview instantly loads the full charts, performance, financials, and news for that stock. So say, for example, we want to choose NVIDIA. Okay, so NVIDIA Corporation. So you just choose this stock. As you can see, it's going to be under the NASDAQ stock market. You just choose it like this. And here's our chart. And if you wish to either buy or sell, this is our button. If you wish to buy, click on here, and you'll be taken to the buy market. And in here you can start purchasing. So as you can see, pretty easy, guys. And that's everything you need to know to start using Tradingview to find stocks. And if this helped, like the video and subscribe, and thanks for watching.